What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. So have you ever had an issue pushing your car into the garage, such as mine, where the driveway inclines down, so the weight of the car is always trying to push you down and you just can't do it by yourself? Well, that's the problem I was having, and it was very annoying to the point where I was afraid to push the car out of the garage just in case if I didn't have a neighbor or a friend to help me push it back in. I wouldn't be able to get it back in. And then I was at Harbor Freight today and I saw this and I was like, hey, there's an idea. So I picked up some masonry drill bit set, just a cheap one for like a impact drill, or like I got. And I got some cheap anchors, and this is also for concrete. So if this video doesn't ever hit YouTube, then obviously it did not work. But if it did hit YouTube, then I guess it did work. So I want to just kind of start this. I don't have any bolts right now, so I'll have to tomorrow go get some like a bolt and washer and stuff that will fit this. And I'll also, like, fit that. But we're going to try to see if that works. I'm going to put you on the tripod right here. And I think I'm just going to set it right here. And my goal right now is I have a come along, but it's downstate in my S10. So what I've been using lately is I've been putting my truck by the garage door and using a ratchet strap. And kind of just like ratchet strapping the car back up into the garage. So I think that's what I'm going to do right here. They have different size anchors. This one's for like 3,300 pounds, 10,000 pound braking strength. But it's a big hook, so I could actually hook up one of my ratchet straps, like this one, for example. So I kind of hook that into the ring and then be able to like pull the car into the garage, or any car for that matter. So come along would definitely be better. If this does work, then possibly like a cheap winch or something would be awesome too. If you can figure out how to, like, I don't know, maybe get an inverter or something like that, or somehow put some power towards that. So that'd be a good idea too. Or they have some crank winches. That'd be a good idea as well. But we're gonna try this out and see how this works, and then who knows, maybe in the future we'll figure out a better idea where I don't have to do so much manual labor. So this is essentially all it is. This ring holds this ring in. So hopefully this works. I'm gonna try putting it off. Let's just try putting it right here, I guess. So let's find the correct drill bit for that now. I guess we'll try this one. Gonna try to put it straight. There we go. These line up perfectly, and it'll literally be like this. So this will be bolted into the ground. We should be able to pull with this. So we'll see. I'll have like a washer with a bolt in here. Make sure everything fits right. We'll take one of these tomorrow to like Tractor Supply or something and get some actual bolts to thread in here. Alright guys, I just went to Family Farm and Home and I picked up two little, can't exactly remember what these little bolts are called. But anyways, I got like a point at the end. I picked up two washers as well. And I took one of those anchors and made sure they get threaded in there enough to spread it. and you know, be tight and stuff. So this should work good, and I don't know, we're about to find out. Of course, you know, it's 70 degrees out. I don't think you can see anything, but 70 degrees out one day, and then now it's snowing. Hopefully you can see this. I'll zoom in on it if you guys can't, but these should thread in fairly easy. They seem like they do. There we go. That seems pretty. That seems pretty tight. So we're gonna back the tripod up here. I'm gonna put a rope on it. Or I'm gonna put a I guess we're gonna see if it works. So that's everything I had. So because it's snowing right now and the car's on jack stands, I'm not gonna be able to actually test it out on a car. But I literally just pulled on that as hard as I could. And that weighed like 215, and I pulled on that as hard as I could, and it didn't even budge. So these things are kind of cool because you can run these over and everything, and it won't pop a tire. And it seems very sturdy. It doesn't seem like it's going to go anywhere. So even though it's officially untested, I tested it with myself, which is probably about equivalent to rolling a car on wheels. Like obviously if the car's on a frame, you're trying to drag it, then yeah, that's not going to work. But that seems like it's going to work. And that is awesome. That means I don't have to sit there and try to push this car into the garage anymore. So I hope this video was a kind of a cool like little tip for you guys and to help you guys out in the future. I mean, I think that thing was like $3 at Harbor Freight. Bolts were like 19 cents. This was like $3. You know, it's just a cheap one. I didn't even expect to use it ever again. And that's all you need. So that's pretty easy, pretty simple. This car, not so simple, running into some problems, but I definitely got parts ordered. So if you guys would like to see any McCurr videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and you guys stay different, and check out some other videos on the channel. Alright, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.